Welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to make the famous fish broth that me and my brother have been making for the last 40 years. So this is the ingredients I'm going to use. This is the green banana. I cut it up and peel it and cut it up. This is the eddos. We have potato and carrots. And what I do differently, just a little piece of pumpkin I'm going to use with a few extra pieces of carrots. So I blend these two together with a piece of Christophine. Okay. So just peel the Christophine, but just a little piece I need. It gives it a good flavor with the pumpkin and the carrots all blended together. I also have, we have okra and the green seasoning. And the fish we're using today is kingfish. With a beautiful habanero pepper. Take the seed out, cut the top off, and I put it in a blender. I put the pumpkin and the carrots. So now I have the water boiling. I'm going to put in 3 spoons of the seasoning. I'm going to add some salt. Black pepper, this is the pumpkin, the Christophine and the carrots that I blended together. I'm going to add them now so it will melt. Again, I said this gives it a beautiful flavor. You have to let that boil for about at least 10 minutes before I add the vegetables and the rest of the stuff. So after 10 minutes, the seasoning has boiled very nice, and I'm going to put the veggies in now. Also add the okra. Give a few turns. Now this is going to boil for a bit. It's almost like 10 minutes before it's finished. I'm going to put the fish in. That cooks together with it. Again, you can't make broth without drinking a cool curry. It's my son Chris. My brother teach me to make broth. I'm teaching him now. So he's the next generation. So it's boiling for like 10 minutes. Nice color. What I'm going to do now is put up. The pepper is very hot. So I just have to put the taste. So I'm just using a piece of it. Stir them again. And let it cook. So this is about 20 minutes cooking. 10 minutes again and I'll add the fish in. So now as the vegetable has boiled, I'm going to put the fish in. Now this is the color I like my fish broth in. The fish in. So another 10 minutes and it will be all done. So after about 45 minutes, this is the fish broth. All the veggies cooked nice, the fish, the okra, everything. And again, that color. 45 minutes and everything is done. The stove off now and we're gonna eat. Now, so for fish broth, I use kingfish today, but you could use any fish you like. Red snapper, gray snapper, tilapia, anything can make the fish broth. Wonderful. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.